Hello everyone, welcome to Arcade Moonlander. One of the games that I haven't really played much. It seems like it's one of those games where you have to land a Moonlander on these platforms. So let's check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and just choose the arcade option. See what this game's all about. Okay, press any key. Alright, we gotta continue. Oh wow. Oh, gotta hurry up and go up. How do you play this? Where do I need to go? Oh, I need to land down below. Looks like if you look at the arrow right below here. Oh my god. This is kind of scary. Alright, okay, I got it. Here we go. Good job. Oh wow. Level 1, that was quick. Level 2. Alright. Press any key to continue. Okay, let's see. Alright, seems like the arrow is pointing that the pad is down to the bottom right of the screen. Okay. Oh, there we go. Alright, I see it. This would be easy slam dunk. Oh no. Okay, here we go. I don't want to crash. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's try another level. Here we go. Level 3. Okay, I think it's... Oh. It's over here on the top right. Wow, that was a little bit too much thrusters. Slow myself down. Alright, okay, here we go. Oh, boom. Perfect. Oh, I got an achievement unlocked. Look at that. Level 3 complete. Level 4. Holy crap. This is going to be a challenge. I don't know if I'm gonna able to even come close to this. This is not really my type of game I'm good at. Here we go. Up, down the ramp. Or the cave, I mean. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. Give me a nice little landing here. Perfect, look at that. Excellent. Level 5. Oh, it seems like, oh no! Alright, let's see. Alright, I'm gonna go down over here on the right, and maybe I could do this one. I'm almost gonna be at the pad. It's right over here. Let's see if I could do a nice little landing here. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Look at that. Level 6. Alright. Seems like the asteroids that are marked with like a white glow around them, I don't think I could go through them. Only the ones that are actually are without it. See, there we go. I can go between this. I gotta be careful not to hit them. It's gonna be a tight squeeze. Okay, come on. Oh my god, I'm gonna crash. Okay, come on. There we go. Look at that. Level 7. Let's try level 7. Can I do this? Alright, let's see. Come on. Just gonna guide myself, slow myself down. Oh no, I'm gonna crash. Come on. Let's give it some little bit more speed. Holy crap, there's spikes. Oh no. Okay, if I just drop down slowly, oh my god. This is scary. Ah! Oh my god. Alright. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Check that out. Perfect. That was a perfect landing. Alright, achievement unlocked. Wow. Look at that. Level 8. Don't think I ever went this high before. Okay, I am coming over here to the right, but I gotta slow myself down. I don't know what that creature is doing down there. Oh my gosh. That was so close. I gotta slow my ass down. Okay, come on, I could do this. Around the curve. Add some engine power. Okay, guys, come on. Give me some luck here. Can I do this? I should be able to do this. Should be no-brainer, right? Gotcha. Alright. Level 9. Wow. I don't know what to expect here. Going through some tunnel system here. Some zigzag. Alright, I gotta slow my ass down or I'm gonna hit the wall. That was so close. Look at that. What a perfect entrance. That's some speed. I think I have enough fuel on hand, hopefully. I got like 60%. Down to 50%. That's pretty quick. I just have to go around this little curve here. This is gonna be a hard one. Alright, gotta slow my ass down. Just let the gravity do its work. Alright, come on, I can do it. A little over the hump over here. Let's see if I could do a nice landing like before. Do I have it or not? Gotcha. Look at that. Achievement unlocked once again. Level 10. Okay, this is a hard one. I don't know if I could do this one. It's very circular and it's going to be very hard to navigate without using too much fuel. I'm going to try to see if I can let the gravity do most of its work. Just use my thrusters for correction. Here we go, down the bottom. Oh, there's a fuel container on the bottom. You see that? Oh no! Oh my gosh. Don't want to hit the sides or I'm gonna have to restart, and I don't want to restart now. Alright, let's see if I could do this. Come on. Here we go. One more loop here. Okay, keep going. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. This is getting challenging. Come on. Alright, I gotta slow myself down. I don't want to take any risks or chances here. I'm at the end, or close to it. Okay, cross your fingers now. Come on, give me some help here, guys. What do you say? Is that good or what? Level 2. Wow, look at this. Now I think I have to go up through this cave here. I don't want to go too fast or I'm going to go out of control here. I'm going to go right. Yeah, I go right. I don't know where to go. I'm going to go in the center. Get me up to the same Oh, the satellite. Oh, wow. I gotta be careful not to hit the satellite. Alright. Go across here. Oh, it's Saturn over there. I can see that. Okay, landing pad spotted on the right side. Let's land this. Great, excellent. What level are we on? Level 12. Oh, I didn't mean to say level 2 before. That was level 11. My bad. So we're at level 12. This looks a little bit tighter than before. Alright, let's go around the hump over here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna crash, it looks like. I'm not doing so well here. Come on. This is a small pad. Can I do it? Yep, I did it. Okay. Wow, okay. Alright guys, let's see. Let's try a few more levels and we'll call the night. What do you say? Okay, level 13. I have 47 fuel bars. I think I'm going to get some more fuel here. I'm assuming this will increase my fuel tank. Wow, look at that. I got 136 now. So the pad is down below here? Oh, wow. This is going to be challenging. Can this be done? I think I'm going the wrong way here. I have to go to the left a little bit more. Oh wow, what are these guys doing here? Don't know if I get too low. They're just going to snatch my aircraft. So I'll hover above them. Oh, they don't do anything. Or intimidating. That's all they are. Alright, here we go. Let's land this craft. Oh, look at that little cave up there. Wonder where that goes. Okay, perfect. I'm very happy. We're finally at level 14. That's pretty impressive in one round without even getting killed. Okay, to the right. Well, let's go through this little installation down here. This little tunnel here. See where it takes us. It's kind of cool. You get to explore these little areas. You have to use a lot of precision here. A lot of precision here, or you're just going to get yourself killed. Just one little touch to the wall, you're dead. Like 2 doors. Okay. Come on, come on. Okay, let's try to head up. Alright. Oh wow, we're on the other side. Looks like. Oh, there we go. Check it out. It's right over here. You just touch down. Uh-oh. I'm not doing so good. Perfect. Okay, next level. We're going to be at level 15. anyway, I just want to give you guys a good intro, understanding what this game's all about. Moonlander. It's one of those classic games that you probably played on the Atari or other systems in the past. So, the game is really reasonable on Steam. It's a great game just to kill some time, especially if you're in, between doing schoolwork or working. This is an easy game just to, you know, to go ahead and get into it. So, anyway, please subscribe, thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you. Bye now.